Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display buildings in 3D on the Naver Map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. Here click to the navigation section, and here you can find the show buildings in 3D option. And if you want to enable this function, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.